In today's video, I am going to teach you how to give access to domain Godaddy. If you manage more than one website or you need someone else to help with domain settings, delegating access can save you a lot of time. In this guide, you will learn how to invite another person to access your account in Godaddy using the Delegate Access feature. To begin, log into your Godaddy account manager. Open your web browser, go to the Godaddy site, and sign in. Once you are in, you should see your main account manager dashboard. Take a moment to confirm that you are signed into the correct Godaddy account, because access changes apply to the account you are currently using. Next, look at the top right corner of the page. You will see your name or a profile menu. Click that name or open the profile menu so you can find the settings area. This step matters because the access options are found inside your account configuration, not on the main dashboard. After you open the profile or name menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to a page where Godaddy organizes important controls for your account. Spend a second scanning the page so you can orient yourself, then continue to the next section when you are ready. Now find and click Delegate Access. This is the area designed specifically for giving someone else permission to work with your account. Because this feature is meant for controlled sharing, it helps to keep your selections accurate, especially if you are only trying to grant domain-related access. Once you are on the Delegate Access page, look for an option that says Invite Access in the People Who Can Access My Account section. Click Invite Access to start the invitation process. You may notice that this section tracks who has access, so inviting from here ensures the new permission is added correctly. After you click Invite Access, you will be prompted to enter the recipient details. Enter the recipient's name and the Godaddy account email address for the person you are inviting. Make sure you enter the correct information, since the invitation is tied to the specific person and their Godaddy account. As you fill in the recipient information, you will also need to choose the access level. Select Products and Domains, or select Domains if you want restricted access. Products and Domains allows broader access related to your products and domains, while Domains focuses more narrowly on domain-related management. Choosing the right option helps you share only what is necessary. Take a moment to think about what the person actually needs to do. For example, if they only need to manage the domain itself, Domains is usually the better, safer choice. If they need to handle more account areas connected to your products, then Products and Domains may be appropriate. You can always review the available options on the screen to confirm what each choice includes. Finally, click Invite to send the access request. Once you do this, Godaddy will process the invitation, and the recipient will typically receive instructions to accept the access. Depending on the account configuration, they may need to confirm the invitation before they can take action. After you send the invitation, you can stay on the Delegate Access page to see the invitation status in the People Who Can Access My Account section. This gives you confidence that the invitation is underway and correctly associated with the right recipient. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.